Welcome on board of the Linssen 35 SL AC. We will present this yacht to you in a very special way, not the way you are used to from us. Normally we present her in a full showroom together with all Linssen enthusiasts, but not now. We will present her during the Linssen Virtual Boat Show in a digital way. We will try to show you some features of the boat and of course give you a general impression. It's a very beautiful boat. We'll cruise her here in the Maasbracht waters and invite you to come over to have a trial with us during the virtual boat show or afterwards by making an appointment with one of our salespersons. We wish you a very nice viewing of this video, but hope of course to see you in the near future in Maasbracht or at one of our dealers. We continue in the saloon. As you can see, the SL series consists of many light materials. Cherry finish wood, the wall paneling in white, off-white, and then a contrasting nice dark Wenge finish floor, which makes a unique combination, which is really Linssen light. You also see the Korean in the white onyx color and combined with a nice off-white curtain. The sofa, saloon sofa, and also this nice stool are finished in a grayish color, so that is a combination of grey and beige, and it's a Alcantara-like, a very cleaning friendly material, and it gives its own touch to the SL series. It's still very Linssen-like, but different from the .0 series. We're now in the front cabin. The front cabin has a nice double bed, 2 meters in length and 140 in width, and you have enough space around the beds to be comfortable in your cabin. Also, this cabin has a separate toilet and shower compartment. It's very comfortable for either the owner or for the guests, depending on where you want to have your owner's cabin. The SL logo has a new design, as you can see here. Also the design of the bulwark, together with the railing, especially designed for the new SL series. A special signature of the SL series is a tribute to the old SL, SE and SX series. You can recognize it to the coated windows in a nice grey color and also the coating around the windows and around the portholes. Also special designed for the SL series is the new bulwark and the railing following this form of the bulwark. In the aft cabin you also have a double bed and a standard toilet compartment. You can choose to integrate a shower compartment, but in the standard specification you will find a cupboard for your clothing, towels, etc. One of Linssen's unique selling points are the stainless steel designed side ladders, also integrated in these SL series. The most important feature and sturdy looking part of the SL series is the special Linssen designed PVC fendering around the full hull.